work here at Curium. Been here for about a year, and what my title is CMMS coordinator. So that's Computerized Maintenance Management Systems. I love it. I do love it. Every day you get to use all your talents. You get to put spins on things. If a certain thing happened, then you got to figure it out. We use the CMMS software with another Curium site, so we had to develop ways to make sure that the software is friendly to both the Maryland Heights division and the Noblesville division. So little tricks that had to be put into play, but every day is fun. What drives me is just knowing that we have a product that can really affect families. I have that vision in my head sometimes. There's families out there sitting beside their loved one's bedside because they're being treated with cancer and they're sick and things aren't looking great. And then I see us with the medicines that we're going to offer to these families. It's going to give them hope whenever things are feeling hopeless. And then I get to be a part of that. It feels good to be a part of a company that cares.